It is another hot day at 105 today, and we're back, JDM fam. Thank you guys for watching, and welcome back to another episode of JDM for All. As you can see, we are going to be installing some rock guards for the Honda Civic Type R, and these are all of the rock guards. Here's the front, rears, and some hardware that came along with it. I'll show you guys how to install these on your Honda Civic Type R. These are ZL1 add-ons. I'm pretty sure they sell these for other vehicles as well as the other Civics, but these are for the FK8 Type R. So just to look quickly, this is how the rear attaches to the back bumper, or yeah, pretty much the back bumper. This is how the front connects to the fender area. So these look like they will work great and fit great, but we won't know until we install them. I'm excited about these because they will protect your paint from rocks flying up, rock chips, and my tires are pretty sticky, so definitely want to protect my car from rocks getting thrown all over. And hopefully they will add a little bit more of an aggressive look right here behind the front wheel as well as behind the back. So let's start installing, guys. It looks super easy and straightforward. All you have to do is take out these little, what are they? They're like, there we go. They're like little clips that go in right there, and then there are screws down here. Super straightforward and self-explanatory. We're going to do it on video, show you guys how they fit and what I think about them. So let's go. So we have all of the screws out and the clip right here. So that was all I needed, was just a flathead, a short flathead, and basically just popping it off. So now let's test fit this piece right now and see how it works. It doesn't look like there are certain parts for certain sides because all you have to do is flip it around. There's really nothing to these. There's a simple add-on, simple mod that seems like it will do the trick. Okay, so the first one is done. This is what it looks like. Definitely more aggressive. Kind of don't like this sharp edge right there. You don't really notice unless you're super close up though, but that's something that I don't like. Other than that, I mean, you really can't even, you don't even notice it at all. And maybe from the front you will, but it does look way more aggressive, guys, and it should be protecting my car a lot better as well. Check that out. That is a lot more coverage, a lot more protection against rock chips and rocks flying around, and protecting my door as well as my side skirt right here. So I like it. I think it looks great. And I don't know if I'll do anything with that edge. I might not. I mean, it's not a big deal, but it's just something that kind of bothers me. I'll probably forget about it after a day. So that is what it looks like, guys. We're going to move over to the rear and start working on these. It's going to end up mounting up right here, so let's get started. Okay, so we're at the rear. For the rear, you don't have a plastic clip. You just have two Phillips screwdrivers right here. So you also do have these little metal clips and washers that we're going to be installing. All you have to do is, it looks like, remove those screws, put the washers behind them, reinstall them, and use these little clips to hold it in place. I'll show you guys how these clips work because I'm not exactly sure, but I have a pretty good idea. So let's start taking off these screws and start installing. Okay, so these little plastic pieces are a tight fit. So what you're going to want to do is just slide it back there. And I mean, it's not really difficult. You just need to work with it for a couple minutes and it will just slide right on. You do have to crush it on there, but once it's on, and it holds it down really well. It really holds it into place, and it clamps onto these plastic rock guards. I like it. These clips seem like a great option over drilling into the stock bumper. So here's the front, looks aggressive, and here's the rear. Wow, what a big difference. These aren't crazy aggressive and obnoxious, but I think they're just enough to add a little bit of aggressiveness as well as obviously protect, and that's what it looks like it's going to do. Look at that. Wow. Wow, I like the look of these. I really do. I think they look great. So super easy, guys. If I was rushing through these and I wasn't too careful, I would probably have got these done in like 25 minutes, all 4 of them. It's probably been about 20 minutes just for one side. It does look really good. I do not like this little edge right here. It's not a biggie. It's not a deal breaker. And yeah, I don't know. I would much rather have that rounded out, but it's not a big deal. So there's the front. That's how aggressive the front looks. Look at that. That is aggressive. I like it. I really like it. I like how they look, and I feel like I'm going to have a lot more peace of mind, as well as just a little add-on that does make the car just look a little bit better. So there we go, guys. Fits great, looks great. It's time to work on the other side. By the way, I did want to mention that you do not need to use the stock little plastic clip that goes in here, right here. It actually says that these are one-time use, even though mine popped back in. I totally forgot to swap it out, but it does come with aftermarket clips. These clip right in. These are multiple use clips, so you can pop these in and out and keep using them. So that's pretty cool as well. So if you end up using this kit, don't forget to swap out your clips for the aftermarket newer ones. Okay, so I'm done on all 4 sides. As you can see, they look really aggressive, they look really good, and they fit perfect, guys. I have no problems with the fitment. Like I mentioned, there was an edge up here. I did cut it off with a razor blade. I just didn't like how sharp and unfinished it looked. Now it looks a lot cleaner. I think it fits the fender line a lot better. It doesn't look like an unfinished corner. I don't know, I didn't like how it looked, so it looks a little different now. It looks a little more sleek and clean. I like that. So yeah, guys, definitely like the fitment, like the look, and they should work great with protecting my vehicle in the paint, as well as protecting cars around me, which I'm happy about as well. So definitely happy with these. If you guys want to check these out, I will have a link in the description. You can buy the front set, the rear set, or all 4s like I did. And I have to say, guys, no regrets. So that is about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for making it this far. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see more FK8 and Honda content. I have more videos on the wrapping of my 2nd gen CRV. I've been wrapping that for a while, guys, and I have more wrap right now. It is just super hot. It's actually difficult to wrap when it's this hot because the wrap does not want to come off. It just wants to stick and it just stretches. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.